Welcome back. It's summer, and that means backyard barbecues. Celebrity chef Josh Capon joins me live from the National Cattlemen's Beef Association Culinary Center with his favorite grilling tips and crowd-pleasing recipes for a weekend grilling. So what I need are your favorite recipes. What are your go-tos when it comes to grilling?
I got two of my favorite recipes right in front of me. Let's start with my 7-time award-winning burger with caramelized onion and bacon jam, shaved pickles, American cheese, and secret sauce on a toasted brioche bun, and follow it up with some chili dusted skirt steak tacos with a charred jalapeno and red onion salsa, a slice of avocado, and some grated cotija cheese and a wedge of lime. I guarantee if you guys duplicate these in your backyard this weekend, you won't need to go watch fireworks anyplace else, because these will do the trick.
So what are some basic things that we need to keep in mind when we're grilling?
Just basic tips. Always nice hot grill. Start with a nice hot grill. Make sure you give it a couple wipes with your grill brush. Don't be afraid to take a rag with a little bit of oil and wipe down your grill grate so they're nice and shiny so nothing sticks. You must season your beef, your steaks and your burgers. Season everything with kosher salt and black pepper. It brings out the natural flavor in beef and also helps form a really nice crust and exterior crust on the beef, which is great. Most importantly, don't cook with fire. You don't want to overcrowd your grills, so when the fat starts to drip, if things start to flare up, just move them to another area of the grill, right? Don't overcrowd your grill, and don't play with your meat. Don't flip that burger 15 times, because if you do, I'm going to smack you in the face with the spatula. Just kidding, I'm not threatening violence, but I mean it. Let the burgers cook, flip them once, maybe twice, throw some cheese on there, and you're good to go. And most importantly, when you pull your burgers and steaks off the grill and you put them on the cutting board, let them rest for just a couple of minutes. And what does that mean? It means when they come off, they're all fired up, right? They're all fired up. If you slice into those burgers or you slice into those steaks, you are going to have juice all over your cutting board. Let the burgers rest so the juice has a chance to evenly be distributed throughout the meat, because I want you guys to enjoy juicy burgers and steaks, not a juicy cutting board.
All right, and how do we know when our steaks and burgers are done?
Well, of course, you can always use a thermometer, which is the safest and most reliable way, okay? But what I like to do, and if you bear with me, Audrey, the more protein cooks, the more it firms up. So when you poke a raw steak or a raw burger, it has no resistance whatsoever. The more it cooks, the more resistance. So if you poke your cheek right now like this, if you poke your cheek, that's going to be a rare steak or a rare burger from the resistance. If you poke your nose, which has a little more resistance, that is closer to a medium. If you now poke your chin, that's closer to a medium well. So as you cook more burgers and steaks and you start to poke at them and touch them, you also look cool when you do this. And when you lick your finger, it tastes delicious, by the way. The more resistance, the more it's cooked. Pull them off, let them rest, and then slice and enjoy. All
right, Chef, tell us one more time where we can go for those recipes.
You can find all these recipes as well as hundreds more and some great grilling tips at beefitswhatsfordinner.com.
Chef Josh Capon's been my guest. Have a great summer, and thanks for the tips.
Thanks. Happy July 4th weekend, everybody. Have a fabulous time.